Can you see my slides? Okay, good. Hello, everyone. My name is Vara Wang from International Department of Nanhua Futures Company. Thank you so much for making the effort to join us today. I would like to introduce how to invest in China derivatives market under the new QFII policy. So in the next 15 minutes, I would like to introduce it from 5 different topics. The first one is the overview of the China in derivatives market. The second one is the insight of the QFII policy. Then how can you trade in China? Then if you don't want to trade, how can you invest the good product as you want? The last part is about our company. So for the first part, the landscape of the China derivatives market. Chinese futures and options markets are growing rapidly and have showed significant liquidity and diversity. From the first bar chart about the global position of China's futures derivatives trading, we can easily find out we already cover almost half of the Asia market, and we have 17.66% in the global market share. The next one, the table is talking about the global trading volume ranking of futures and options. In the respective world top 20 rankings, the Chinese products are having like 16 places in agriculture, 14 places in metal, and 5 places in energy, 3 in precious metal. And from the last bar chart, we can easily find out how great development is of our trading volumes of futures in China. And we believe within the internationalization of Chinese financial market, there is an enormous potential of the Chinese market was still going on, grow. So now you already know how many opportunities in the Chinese market. Then we can easily to find what's the combination with the QFII policy. How can you enter through QFII? First of all, the definition of QFII, as our speakers already mentioned, QFII refers to foreign institution investors who having the fund from overseas to invest the Chinese market here. So for the QFII investment scope, said simply, you can invest for bonds, stocks, and also now you can invest in Chinese commodities, futures and options, and also you can invest in the financial futures and options for hedging. So from this words in blue color, what you can do from us, we can support you not only to trade them immediately, also we can help you to find the good funds with a relative investment scope. And also we can have a customized fund for you to invest. I will talk in details about them in after. So if before I talk more details about the QFII, let's just have a big picture of the 3 main channels to accessing the Chinese derivatives market. Here I present the QFII, international contracts, and the WFI. Of course, we also have swap because it's in the OTC market, so I didn't put it in this page yet. Let's just combine these 3. Except for the QFII international contracts, now we have 7 futures and 2 options in the market. You can open the account immediately out of China, found a good overseas intermediary and open the account there. You can trade them immediately. But because of the limited number of the products, maybe you're not satisfied of the scope. Then you also can consider to set up a WFI company inside of the China as a Chinese company. Then you can benefit from them. You can trade all range of the products in the market. At this moment, you need to consider is how can you deal with a Chinese company here, because you need to face a Chinese regulator, you need to fix the tax or etc. So at this moment, if you are not ready to enter Chinese market as a Chinese company, QFI might be the best option for you, because at this moment you have 45 products you can trade with through the QFI channel, and you also can easily just withdraw your money out of China as you want. So here I put this 45 products here in details. If you want to know each of them, like please don't hesitate to contact us. I put all the products in Chinese market, and the blue color here is the QFI products you can trade. And with the dark blue color here is international contracts. Now you know what kind of products you can trade. Then let's see about the access. The main point here is you can find the good partner to help you. Then you only need a simple 4 steps to enter Chinese market. The first one is to find the good custodian banks, for example, DBS, and the domestic brokers, for example, futures company like us, and the security companies like DBSS. Then you can go for the second step. For this step, mainly the work will be handled by the custodian banks. You just need to support to offer the documents. They will help you to apply for all the steps here. The third step is opening the account to trade. First of all, you need to have a basic cash account. At this moment, if you just want to invest for the good products, for example, like public funds or private funds, you just need a basic cash account. You can invest immediately. Then if you want to trade by yourself, then you need special accounts. Then also you need to open the futures trading account with us, and we will help you to do the IT docking. The last part is exiting the market. We will help you to asset for all the steps here. Then we talk about the fees and the cost. And for this part, really, you don't need to worry about that, because compared with the European price, the Chinese trading cost is really nothing. For example, the custodian fees, you only need 3 to 5 BPs per year. And we will charge like monthly to the custodian banks. But if you just want to open a QFI without any trading, you even don't need to pay any fees here. The same as our trading commissions here. If you want to enter this market, but before your trade, we will not charge for anything. So don't hesitate to ask us any questions. We will support you to understand the market more. And when you get ready, we will be your best support here. Then the next part is audit fee, and for the tax, we will also help you to find the right partners to talk about it. And the market price is always clear. You can easily find it here, or just talk to us. We will find you the lawyer and the accounting firms to talk. Okay, so now you know how to apply for QFI lessons, and are you ready to use QFI lessons to trade? What you need to care about for the next step, which is risk management. If you trade by yourself, the risk management is always the most important things. In our Chinese exchange, you have so many different rules. For example, like margin rules always go first one, and the hedging rules, position limits, trading limits, and abnormal trading rules, etc. So no worries for all of them, because we will set up the real-time risk rate reminder to send you the notification, and we will tell you all the important notice as what you need to know at the first moment when I get it. So from this part, we can send you the email. Also, we can contact you by phone or any channels as you want. For example, Bloomberg also can do. So we will offer the premium services during your training time. For example, as I just mentioned, for the comprehensive trading notice and the exchange rules, we also can help you to customize your settlement report in English and Chinese. And we will set up the real-time warning for the futures account margin risk. Not only for that, we also have massive onshore and offshore research reports can provide to you, because our Nanhua Futures research institutions is the first one set up in Chinese market. We have the longest time. And we also have the Nanhua Cloud Service as a data support. We can offer you the stock market, bonds, public funds, and also very important, if you want to test your strategy can work in China or not, we can help you to get the historical exchange market data to send to you before you opening any account to test your strategy at first. Normally we can get 2 years or 3 years. If you want maximum, we can get 5 years historical exchange market data for you to test your strategy. So after the risk management and IT and also data, I think the next important thing you might be care about is IT solution. So here I put the trading networking resources here. We have the direct connection with all the exchange markets. For our general clients, we offer Bloomberg, Securities, TT, ESME, and the CTP, and we are the top futures company in China to offer the majority of the IT platform. As I know, like not so many companies can compete with us for this. We are totally top 3, top 4, I don't know, for offering the IT platforms here. And also, if you are co-location like client, we can help you to get the server room matching with each exchange if you want, based on the different products here. Then the next part is, if you don't want to trade by yourself, you as a management company, you are looking for some good fund you want to invest immediately. What we can offer is our asset management service. We call it fund matching pool. We set up the pool connection for matching the clients and the tier 1 investment advisors in China immediately. And all the good advisors in our pool, we will use our top fund to test their stability and the capacity of the trading strategy at first. Then we will introduce them to our clients. What we can do is not only inside of China, we have so many sub-companies overseas. So we will also customize the fund vehicle for clients as like cross-border asset management, for example, like QFI, WFI, and QD, etc., for set up different funds inside of China or outside of China. And if you are trading firms, you want to work with us, we can help you to access all the Nanhua asset management and FOF and overseas like funds, etc. Here I also put the process, how can we work with clients and the advisors. We have so many different strategies in Chinese market, but here I would like to introduce CTA at first. CTA means commodities trading advisors, and we divided it to the different categories. For example, based on the strategy and the data resources and target, and also trading frequencies. As you want, we can help you to fund the existing fund you want to invest immediately. Here, I present 2 Nanhua CTA products already in our pool. I put the performance here in the past years to show how good like performance they are having here now. The last one I would like to introduce is our Nanhua Commodity Index here. Our Nanhua Commodities Index is was set up since 2004. So it's already nearly 20 years here. And we are the only one as a benchmark for the foreign investors want to invest in Chinese commodities like industry index inside of China. We're the only one, as we know, it's like a very important benchmark. So far for all the data we share with our existing client who trade with us, or we sell it as added value service here. But the good news is we gonna publish it in Bloomberg soon, because we are considered to launch it as a trading index one day, nearly in the future, for our overseas clients. For example, you are already come inside as a QFI, you don't want to do the research of all the Chinese like commodities product. So you just want to find index you can trade, combine with your other multi-strategy like trading solutions. For example, you also trade like bonds or stocks at the same time. You just want to combine something with the commodities market, then you can buy or sell our Nanhua commodities index in the future. Once it's launched, I will let everyone know it. But at this moment, it's our plan at this moment. But you can get the details to know more about our commodities index here. Okay, so next part is about our company. Our company is the first A-shared listed futures company in China, and we have the largest number of sub-companies overseas. So that's why we're specialists of our cross-border services, because we are using the experience to serve our sub-company, to share that like experience with our clients now. And as I mentioned before, Nanhua Futures set up the first futures research institute in China. So we have the massive onshore and the offshore research reported. In the conclusion, what is our advantage? The experience in serving offshore institutions. We are the earliest cross-border investment service team to serving the QFI participating in the financial futures for hedging. And our team members, majority of us having the overseas study background and long time in futures market here. And we can share you for the settlement issues and all the good services here. The last one is a very important one, because we're the Asia listed company, so we can guarantee your safety of the funds. It's always the main concern from the overseas like clients. And we can offer you the one-stop financial solutions, for example, like Chinese international futures and QFIs and swaps, and also the asset management services, as I mentioned. So the last one is a full set of trading systems and IT support. As I mentioned, we have the largest IT platforms here: TT, Securities, ATP, eSigny, and Bloomberg. Please contact us if you are trading with them. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share today. If you are interested in like trading immediately in China, or you want to find the good products to invest, we can help you to get what you want. Like for example, the fund, we also can help you to customize the one as you want. So please don't hesitate to contact us and let me know what you need, and we are always happy to support. And please talk to us before you want to open the account. The consulting is always for free from us. So this is what I want to share today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mara. That speech was really helpful.